Assalamualaikum, welcome back to Special Diary channel. I am today cooking budgetful yummy desi pizza. First of all, one bread is normal size and chili paste. Chili chutney, chili paste, similar, and mixing all size mix chutney, round size and full chutney, and yummy tasty taste. Next step, oil add, onion add, and tomato add, and green coriander. This dish is yummy and tasty, and garlic add. Garlic is yummy taste. Your taste according salt, white salt and black salt. And you yummy pizza and tawa and sekna is ready. Yummy desi pizza. You can try again. What is taste? You comment down. Yummy my garlic and pizza. Yummy tasty budget full pizza.